When we want to find out how accurate the data is in a C sat-nav, we do a journey with one of our own sat-navs on at the same time, and we look at the data to see if there is any variation between the two, so that we can determine how accurate the data in the C sat-nav is. This journey that we've carried out here is shown by the blue line, and here we've chosen 6 points where we're going to sample the data to see how accurate it is. So we'll move into the first point, and we can see that there is 2 points here. One is for the C sat-nav, which is shown as the active log, and the speed on the active log, which is the C sat-nav, 67.5. We look at our own sat-nav, the Zebra Tek sat-nav, and we see that the speed is also 67.5 miles per hour. Moving along our journey to our second sample point, the C sat-nav, the speed is 70.8. Our reference sat-nav, the speed is 70.6. Third sample point, starting with the active log, the C sat-nav, 67.7, with our reference sat-nav, 67.4. Here we get the C sat-nav showing 58.4, our reference sat-nav showing 58.1. The C sat-nav here is showing 23.8, our reference sat-nav 23.7. And the final point for this test, we get the C sat-nav showing 16 miles per hour, and our sat-nav showing 16.2 miles per hour. These variations are sometimes caused by slight differences in where the reading was taken. We can see here that if we look at these 2 points, that there is a slight variation, and this can be down to braking or accelerating, so that the distance over which the time is calculated, and therefore the speed, will vary slightly on occasions. Thank you for watching the video.